Hello guys, in today's video we are creating YouTube channel. Make sure your apps are updated. First click on the YouTube app, then you go to your profile. I've already signed in to Google account, so that means you can go straight to your profile. After the profile, you click on add accounts. After add accounts, then you continue signing in. Then you sign in, you create different accounts. I have accounts for myself, so this one I'm creating it for my business. But in case you're creating it for yourself, it's the same process. So click on manage my business. After that, write your name, the name you want to use for the channel. You can choose any name of your preference. So I'm using creativity channel. Then you click on next. After next, you type your date of birth. Make sure you subscribe and let's learn more. I have a lot of beginners tutorial on YouTube to be uploaded, so turn on notification bell. Then you type your gender. After that, YouTube will suggest some email address for you to choose one. If you want to create your own, you can go ahead, but for me I chose the second one. Then you create a password of your choice. Make sure it's the password you can remember. Then click on next. After that, you click on the number you want to use for YouTube to verify you, or Google. Then after that, you click on next. Then you take your time and read and accept or agree your terms. We are done creating the YouTube channel, so it will bring you back to the YouTube app. So you click on your profile, then it brings you back to your channel. Click on your channel, upload our profile picture and write what our channel is about. So you go ahead and click on the name, then you click on edit name. You can change the name later on, but here it's okay, so I'm saving it. Click on the save button. Yeah, so we're back here to the description of your channel. So add description, then you write maybe your channel is all about lifestyle, vlog, entertainment, gaming, food, travel. Then you save. You can go ahead and do whatever you want. If maybe yours is gaming, yours is anything, then you back to the profile, you click on the picture icon, then you choose from your gallery. I'm choosing this love, it's nice to me. After that, I click on it, then it's upload. We are done. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and let's learn more.